If you own apartments but feel like your rental income is just scraping by, then you need these tailored lease strategies to boost your bottom line. First, take stock of your property features. Got balconies, hardwood floors, or upgraded appliances? List them all. Knowing what you have is step one. Next, find out what tenants really want. Conduct surveys or gather feedback. If in-unit laundry is top of the list, you know those units can fetch a higher price. Don't forget to benchmark your competition, check out nearby properties and see what they charge for similar amenities. This gives you a clear idea of market expectations. Now, establish a tiered pricing structure. Set a base rate for standard units, then price premium units 10 to 20% higher based on demand and appeal. Adjust for seasonality, like offering a month's free rent during slow periods. Offer flexible lease terms. 6-month leases for short-term tenants and lower rates for longer commitments can meet diverse needs. Throw in incentives like discounted utilities to attract quality tenants to premium units. Include rent escalation clauses in long-term leases to keep up with inflation and market changes. Regularly review and adjust. Quarterly market reviews and tracking lease renewal trends help ensure your pricing and terms stay competitive. Use online tools like Rentometer for real-time rate analysis and highlight premium features in marketing to attract the right tenants. In summary, tailoring lease terms to match property features and market demand helps maximize rental income, improve tenant satisfaction, and keep your property competitive. Happy leasing!